Jimmy's mama made a shower. I hope you like this one. Damn clown, why my business is the one that says so to be easy, be a trick of my mess. I said my dad got to up the phone, I was speaking and saying you won't watch me. Scoop the kiss my bitch, cause you all want to do my boss. Pull up before the shit, that's how it goes. Make me some money, one man, this is the thing with the shit, so to be boss, on the blue ass, let me clean my mess. I said my dad got to up the phone, I was speaking and saying you won't watch me. Switch the shit, kiss my bitch, then you all want to do my boss. Pull up before the shit, that's how it goes. We will go to the church, yeah, we got something, we got yeah, we want to, it's a thing, I'm a big hog, get me some gas. Want some cash? Yeah, that's some. I like this is a good. What's up, my man? What's up, so pretty? What's your baby? My man gonna ask my girl. So what the cool ass, big ass, big ass, one person. This my man. Give me a walk with my house. Do up the little shit, the sound goes. We got some dumb shit. Oh, skip my name. Like this. We don't see nothing wrong. This is a team, my friend. No, this one I want. One back to the city. I don't know what to make me. Baby. I'm a suspector. I'm a one man. This is a real secret. We will be a good my moves. I said my girl got me up before I started. I want to my house, we all walk with in my house, we have a little trick that's how it goes, we got a long trail on my business, if you want to say so, we will go to the big ass like that, in my misery, I said my sister, we have a long ass big ass bagel, one brush my way, sister, it's my mess, we all walk with in my house, we have a bucket truck that's how it goes, we got a membership.